Everything's a game to Layla. Sweeping the floor. It's just craziness. You can't even sweep around here without just having some crazy baby boxer attack. Layla, you crazy. You leave my room alone. Can't I sweep my floor? Peace. What's wrong with her, Lee? She crazy. Crazy. You crazy, Rayla. You're just sweeping our floor. You Looney Tuny, Layla. You Looney Tuny. Really? Really? I think you just jumped in my pile. What, Looney Tuny? Leave my room alone. You crazy, Layla. You crazy.